Hello everyone, this is Priyasha Das. Welcome to my channel. And today in this video, we're going to talk about the monthly revision of January 2024. We all know that current affairs is something which is going to help all of you, no matter whichever examination you're preparing for. Because for an individual who is updated with the current affairs, especially of his country and its relation with the other countries, then you would be definitely kept above others. So let's get started. I'll be showing you various important informations regarding whatever you're applying for, whether it's a job or it's your MBA or it's any other entrance examination you're preparing for. This is going to be helpful. So make sure you see it, watch it. I will be specially highlighting the ones which I feel are really important out of it, and the remaining you can just pause the video, take a screenshot, or just read it on your own or make a note of it. Always remember, it's always recommended that you make notes of what you heard from the video, क्योंकि जब आप सुन के लिखते हो, then in that case your mind automatically processes it. ठीक है? So you have to do it in this way. That will definitely stay with you for a longer period of time, because maximum of the students complain that हमें तो कुछ याद नहीं रहता जब पूछा जाता है. So this problem can be solved if you write it down after listening to me. So let's get started. सबसे पहले हम लोग cover करेंगे national affairs, and in the national affairs we will be considering the important news like there are 5 more Indian wetlands which are added to Ramsar list. अगर आपको स्टैटिक जीके के लिए भी प्रिपेयर करना है तो इसमें से ही कुछ पॉइंटर्स है जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ which will be helpful, like the Ramsar list. Please search about it. The next important information which you can search for is the Yuva Sangam phase 3. ये क्या है और IIT गुवाहाटी इसको क्यों होस्ट कर रहा है, ये भी आप पता कर सकते हो. Then the other information is, I'll go to the next page and tell you the world's largest lamp to shine on Ram temple opening is one of the greatest history wala point. So please make a note of it. प्रांत प्रतिष्ठा भी जनवरी में ही हुई थी, so it's very important. And then CM Jagan Mohan Reddy inaugurated the statue of social justice which is 206 foot long. वो किसकी स्टैचू है आप मुझे वो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओगे. And the ones who really comment below, I'll make sure I'll give you personalized help in your endeavors. Make sure that क्योंकि आपका नाम जब रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा ना और मुझे वो फिर क्वेरी में इंस्टाग्राम पे मिलेगा, you will definitely get added on benefit. So let's go further to the next page. यहाँ पर आपको सरयू रिवर के बारे में बताया जा रहा है, अयोध्या से रिलेटेड है तो इसीलिए ये इंफॉर्मेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. The next thing which you can note from this particular page is the appointment of 2-member panel in all the high courts for implementation of SNJPC. इसका फुल फॉर्म भी जरूर सर्च कीजिएगा या फिर अपने नोटबुक में लिख लीजिए फॉर स्टैटिक जीके. Next, we have the information about Ola Electrical becoming the first EV company to get a PLI approval. That is important to be noted. Okay. Next, we will go down to the appointments news. जहां पर important appointments में आपको ये याद रखना है कि president has nominated Satnam Singh Sandhu to राज्यसभा. अभी अभी सुधा मूर्ति has also got nominated, but वो मैं इस month की नहीं, जिस month की news है उस month की news में बोलूंगी. ठीक है. Now the next appointment which you need to be aware of, let's quickly take that as well. The next appointment which you need to be aware of is the Taiwan citizens are elected William Lai as the new president. I have told you guys, सिर्फ इंडिया नहीं, आपको अब्रॉड का भी कुछ कुछ important, very important information याद रखना है. Okay. Then the next one which you need to focus on is Rashmi Shukla, who became Maharashtra's first woman DGP. Women DGP महाराष्ट्र जैसे स्टेट में एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है, so it should definitely remember this. Okay. And the last set I think from appointments is where you need to know businesses के appointments भी, जैसे PepsiCo has named Jagrut Kotecha as its CEO. Okay. And Arindam Bagchi has been nominated or appointed as India's permanent representative to UN. Now coming down to science and technology की news, तो भाई इलॉन मस्क चाचा ने न्यूरालिंक नाम की एक ब्रेन चिप बना दी है in first human. Okay. And then we have come across coreover.ai which has unveiled Bharat GPT, India's first large language model LLM. Okay. Then the next one you should note down is that Japan has achieved the historic soft moon landing with the SLIM mission. तो सिर्फ इंडिया की ही मून लैंडिंग नहीं, बाकी कंट्रीज की भी इंपॉर्टेंट है टू नोट. ओके. Then Oxford has launched the first human vaccine trials for the deadly Nipah virus. So after COVID, if you need to be aware of something, then it's Nipah virus. Then the set of international news which you need to be aware of is ECOWAS, that is Niger, Mali and Burkina Faso. They have quit the West African bloc called as ECOWAS. उसका full form क्या है वो आपके लिए एक important static GK का न्यूज बन सकता है. पाकिस्तान हमेशा से इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस में है, वो इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज अगर आपको याद नहीं रखने की जरूरत है वो इजीली आप गेस कर सकते हो. कमिंग डाउन टू यूएई, सो यूएई का स्टील फैब हुआ था 2024 में. इंडियाज डोमिनेंस शाइन्स इन दैट ग्लोबल स्टील इंडस्ट्री, जो कि वहां पर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आई मीन नॉट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बट एक काइंड ऑफ यू नो एक आई एम नॉट गेटिंग वर्ड्स ओवर हियर, आई एम सो सॉरी, बट सारे लोग साथ में आए थे. Then the next is India and the world together. So here you have to remember that Switzerland and India has reached a deal on FTA after 16 years of negotiation. Finally उन्होंने deal close किया 16 साल के बाद. ये तो Bollywood movie की तरह हो गया. Then the next information you need to remember or you know point out in this page is that Nepal is about to sell 10,000 megawatt of energy electricity to India in the next 10 years. हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी खरीद रहे हैं गाइस, यस. इसका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट भी है और नेगेटिव भी, ये डिस्कशन का टॉपिक हो सकता है. तो अलॉन्ग विद स्टैटिक जीके आप इसको एक डिस्कशन या जीडीपीआई ऐसे ब्रैकेट में लिख के भी नोट कर सकते हो. एंड वुमेन लीडरशिप लॉन्च हैज लॉन्च्ड एट डेवोस, स्विट्जरलैंड. दिस इज आल्सो समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट. देन डिफेंस रिलेटेड न्यूज देखते हैं फटाफट. तो नाटो कमेंसेस द लार्जेस्ट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज कॉल्ड एज स्टेडफास्ट डिफेंडर. And other important information is that India and Kazakhstan, okay, they have joined the forces exercise called as Khanjar in Himachal Pradesh. All right. Now, next one is, okay, there are many more. Remember, if it's on my screen, it's important. But उसमें से भी अगर आपको filtered information चाहिए, तो that's why I'm providing it to you. अब India Thai Navy ने first bilateral exercise भी किया था जिसका नाम है ex Ayutthaya. So that is important. Coming down to the third part of defense, which is having an important information called, as you can say, that Vice Chief Admiral S.J. Singh जो है, he was honored in Delhi. He's an important one. And UAE India का साथ में एक desert cyclone military exercise भी हुआ था. Now coming to books and authors, the important ones which you need to remember here is Smita Das Jain's international bestseller Cracking the Rich Code, Jagdeep Dhangar's Fertilizing the Future, Bharat's Fertilizer book. अमित शाह ने बुक लॉन्च किया है आसाम्स ब्रेव हार्ट लचित बरफुकन का, वो भी important है. Now the next one is Sarmishta Mukherjee presents Pranab, my father, book to PM Modi. That is also important. And Kerala governor launched the Ram Mandir, Rashtra Mandir, Ek Saji Virasat. This is also a important book you should be knowing. And then coming to awards and honors. So here are some of the important awards and honors on your screen. You can take a quick note of it or take a screenshot. And Sheetal Devi is the world's first armless woman archer who won the Arjuna Award. Need to highlight it and keep it, frame it in your mind. Okay. And Dronacharya Awards भी President Draupadi Murmu ने present किए थे. This is important to know. Sports related information में Jannik Sinner conquered the maiden Grand Slam at Australian Open of 2024. That's important to note. Virat Kohli is the ICC's Men ODI Cricketer of the Year. Another set of information can talk about the Asian Marathon Championship, जिसमें मान सिंह ने medal लिया है. Madrid secured hosting the rights for Spanish F1 Grand Prix from 2026 onwards. तो मैड्रिड का हुआ वो, ठीक है. एंड आईसीसी प्लेयर्स ऑफ द मंथ दिसंबर 2023 के अनाउंस किए गए थे जनवरी में. अनदर सेट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज again talking a lot about different games like Asian Shooting Championship, okay, and other Commonwealth weightlifting championship. तो वो सब पर भी प्लीज थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा. Then coming to the banking sector, ICICI Bank Canada has introduced money to India mobile app, जो कि बहुत important है, वरना बहुत ज़्यादा transaction charges लगते थे पहले. So please make a note of it. Otherwise, other important news from banking is that RBI has imposed penalties on Dhanlakshmi Punjab and Sindh banks. Okay, so उन पे penalty क्यों लगी थी वो आप जरूर सर्च कर सकते हो. Okay. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव पॉलिसीज एंड स्कीम्स, जिसका हर एक सिंगल सेंटेंस आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो आई वुड लिटरली आस्क ऑल ऑफ यू टू टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस and keep it with yourself, save somewhere in a Google Drive so that you can access it whenever you're close to any exam, interview or a job, job interview or entrance examination whatsoever. So ये सारे ही बहुत ही important है. That's the second page of policy scheme. इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा important है to note that कौन से स्कीम किस चीज के लिए है. अमाउंट आपको कभी नहीं पूछा जाएगा. दे विल नेवर आस्क यू दैट कितने करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट था, बट द नेम्स आर रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. Coming to indexes, you need to know that Meghalaya, Brinihat has been India's most populated city, and airport of Singapore earns the world's best airport. It actually is, okay? Literally, you can spend one day roaming around in the airport of Singapore. Definitely go and check that out. Then talking about conferences and summits, तो इंडिया ने एनर्जी वीक मनाया था गोवा में. फर्स्ट मीटिंग ऑफ सोशल ऑडिट एडवाइजरी बोर्ड SAB हुआ था. Okay, Jaishankar, Mr. Jaishankar co-chairs the 6th India-Nigeria Joint Commission meeting. These were some important summits and conferences. Even our Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurates the Asian Buddhist Conference, and Switzerland agrees to host the Global Peace Summit for Ukraine. This is again an important information. Agreements and MAU की बात करें तो Airbus and Tata ने मिलकर collaborate किया है for helicopter manufacturing, and Gift City, IGX, and GSPC, they have forged a global hydrogen trading alliance, which is important with respect to sustainability a lot. So they can ask you about these type of things. And we are reaching the end, guys. Business and economic के questions की बात करें तो important pointers to note here is कि e-bike व taxi service दिल्ली and हैदराबाद में ओला ने launch कर दी है. AIIB is India's largest renewable energy infrastructure investment trust. And LIC has surpassed SBI to become the most valuable PSU in India currently. And India's economy is to grow at a rate of 7.3%, says NSO's report. Now, finally, coming down to some important state affairs, where if we talk of Tamil Nadu, then Tamil Nadu has its balloon festival in Pollachi. Okay. You can also note that Odisha's CM Naveen Patnaik has inaugurated Malangiri Airport. Okay. Malkangiri Airport, my bad. And another important state news, which can be Raipur Smart City, has unveiled the green corridor for the organ transplants, which is a important point to note. And with this, we come to a 38-page long but all effective points from the month of January, which will be helpful for each and every one of you watching this video, whether you are watching it for your normal current affairs or you're watching it for job interviews, MBA interviews, GDPIs, or एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन जिसमें जीके पूछा जाता है. This video is one stop solution to all of them. If you really liked it, please do like this video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and please share कर देना यार. आपको अगर इस efforts की थोड़ी सी भी value है तो please share करना. Thank you so much. Take care. Priyasha is always there, just a DM away. What you just need to do is follow me on Instagram. The handle is right there in the description box, and DM me your queries. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless you.